So basically, this is my first prototype of my chemistry crossword game. It's just a mixture of New York Times crossword puzzles with learning chemistry. This is primarily for people who are taking AP chemistry or introduction to chemistry in college. Just like a normal crossword puzzle, you have clues on the right, which are the chemical names, and a crossword puzzle that you would use to basically put the chemical formulas. Now, what I wanted to do was not just like create a new level every single time, but instead I wanted to generate crossword puzzles by itself. So if we click this new crossword puzzle button, each time it will be different. So how this basically works is that you would input your chemical formula. These buttons are to basically put the number. Let's say we want to put H2O on clue 9. So we just put H and O to represent the letters in H2O. And since we're going across and we're only doing it for one letter, we use this across number that basically allows us, when clicked, to input a number, which is 2. Now, what if we want to show two H2Os? Now, we can use these buttons, which basically are the parentheses, and basically put parentheses around it. And what these buttons allow you to do is basically add a number farther away, which allows us to make it look like, since we're going across, we input a number to show two H2O with parentheses. Now, there's a couple of problems involved with this. Is primarily due to the generation of this crossword puzzle. And as you can see, is that some of the letters are duplicating. Say, for instance, for clue 9, even though it's a cross, it could be seen in the down section where it says it's potassium sulfate, but in the across section, it's potassium nitrate. Now, this is a problem that I have to fix, and that's for a later thing. This is just first prototype, so it's fine. And as you can see that it could get long, like for 11, there's 2, sometimes there's 3. Another problem I also want to address is the UI of it. As you can see, this is pretty wonky. It's definitely not to the level that I want it to be already. So one thing I definitely have to do is to just make it overall nicer to look at, as well as having a home page, a settings page, as well as a help page, just to show how it works, because it is fairly complicated compared to a normal crossword puzzle, because it has all these types of mechanics that other normal crossword puzzles don't have.